BMO Commercial Property Trust, ticker BCPT. This investment trust belongs to parent company BMO Global Asset Management and is dedicated to investing in commercial UK properties. It holds a diversified portfolio of 3 commercial property sectors: office, retail, and industrial, while also providing exposure to leisure, residential property, and student housing. BMO has headquarters in London and the BCPT Trust is a constituent of the FTSE 250 index. Yearly dividend yield is 7.1%. Last monthly dividend was 40 pence per share. Eddiston Property Investment Company, ticker EPIC. This company is a real estate investment trust that invests in UK real estate assets belonging mainly to the office, retail, and industrial sectors. The business has a portfolio of assets with lot sizes ranging from 10 million to 50 million pounds. Often non-institutional to start. In total, Eddiston's portfolio value is approximately £283.4 million. Yearly dividend yield is 8.8%. Last monthly dividend was 41 pence per share. i3 Energy plc, ticker i3 East. i3 Energy plc is an independent oil and gas development company focused on the North Sea with operations in the UK. The company's core asset is the Liberator oil field. Liberator oil field is immediately adjacent to the Blake field and approximately 2 km from Blake's producing drill center. The company is also engaged with the supply chain in order to deliver equipment and services. Yearly dividend yield is 8.3%. Last monthly dividend was 14 pence per share. NB Global Monthly Income Fund, ticker NBMI. NBMI is an investment trust belonging to parent company Neuberger Berman NB, which aims to deliver a consistent monthly income by investing in traditional credit, alternative credit, and private loans. It has a diversified portfolio across multiple sectors that is hedged to the British pound sterling. Yearly dividend yield is 10.4%. Last monthly dividend was 54 pence per share. PIMCO Sterling Short Maturity UCITS ETF, ticker QUID. The PIMCO Sterling Short Maturity UCITS ETF DIST is an actively managed ETF. The ETF invests into a diversified portfolio of GBP-denominated fixed income securities. The aim is to generate maximum current income without neglecting capital preservation and liquidity. Yearly dividend yield is 0.51%. The total expense ratio amounts to 0.35% per year. Last monthly dividend was 11 pence per share. 24 Select Monthly Income Fund, ticker SMIF. SMIF is a closed-ended fund owned by 24 Asset Management that is designed to take advantage of premium returns available from less liquid instruments across the debt spectrum. The fund aims to highlight a relatively overlooked part within the market by investing in a diverse portfolio of fixed-income credit products. It focuses mainly on banking, insurance, and asset-backed securities sectors and has a market cap of £183.8 million. Yearly dividend yield is 8.5%. Last monthly dividend was 50 pence per share. Vanguard UK GILT UCITS ETF, ticker VGOV. The Vanguard UK GILT UCITS ETF distributing invests in government bonds with focus on United Kingdom. The ETF holds the full range of bond maturities. The underlying bonds have investment-grade ratings. The ETF has a GBP currency exposure. The fund replicates the performance of the underlying index by buying a selection of the most relevant index constituents. The Vanguard UK GILT UCITS ETF distributing has £134 million of assets under management. Yearly dividend yield is 1.86%. The total expense ratio amounts to 0.07% per year. Last monthly dividend was 3 pence per share.
If you found this video useful, hit the like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.